Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce our company, Transform Tech, and share its vision with you. But before that, let's look at some historical developments to gain some perspective about some crucial changes that are happening right now. Information revolution has long been helping businesses expand their scope and size of their operations. Right from the 1950s, mainframes have aided enterprises in making their products and services better, faster, and cheaper. In particular, financial institutions have leveraged this technology to process vast amounts of information and delivered meaningful results to their customers. Personal computers came into vogue from the early 1980s. It helped many smaller firms reap the benefits of the information revolution. Many desktop and ERP applications like MS Office, Oracle, and SAP also helped transform business operations. The later part of 2000 witnessed the onset of the digital revolution. Newer technologies like mobile and cloud computing, IoT, artificial intelligence, e-commerce, and digital marketing have shaped the digital revolution. Unlike their predecessor, these new technologies can be interconnected to provide many innovative applications. For instance, e-commerce applications have integrated all these technologies and have delivered new capabilities that traditional retail stores couldn't. The Global Center of Business Transformation at IMD Business School has defined the term digital as, quote, convergence of innovative technologies enabled by connectivity, end quote. Now, this raises an important question. What additional benefits does digital revolution provide that information revolution didn't? As mentioned earlier, older technologies and applications have helped businesses improve their operational performances by making their products and services faster, better, and cheaper. In contrast, the newer technologies have enabled companies to come up with unique business models. In other words, they are having a strategic impact, enabling enterprises new ways of creating, delivering, and capturing value. New business models and applications like e-commerce, precision agriculture, IoT for patients and physicians, digital marketing, AI, image recognition, and recommendation systems drive digital disruption and digital business transformation. Transform Tech has developed deep expertise in these areas and is committed to delivering online and blended courses that are relevant to today's digital world. All our faculty are qualified with certificates from premier institutions like Harvard, Kellogg, Wharton, MIT, and Columbia University. We also provide digital business transformation consulting. The education division of Transform Tech serves three distinct customer segments. First, it delivers curriculum consulting and training for educational institutions and to their students. Second, it provides cutting-edge technology courses for working professionals. Finally, its flagship programs are its executive education courses that impart techno-managerial skills for aspiring and experienced managers. Through its consulting division, it helps small and medium firms embrace digital transformation successfully. Thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to being your trusted education and consulting partner.
Welcome to Transform Tech and to our program, Building Your Vocabulary. This is in collaboration with RVS College of Arts and Science, Sulur, Coimbatore. At the outset, I would like to inform you two things. First, a word can be pronounced in two different ways, the American pronunciation and the British pronunciation. In our course, I'm going to deal with the Queen's language. Secondly, a word can have two or more meanings, and I'm going to deal with only two basic meanings that are commonly used. Are you ready? Word 1, paraphrase, spelling P-A-R-A-P-H-R-A-S-E. Meaning, to put what someone else has expressed into different words or put in other words. The synonyms are reword, restate. Sentence example 1. The students were asked to paraphrase the lines of the famous essayist. Sentence example 2. The journalist wrote a paraphrase of the speaker's speech. Word 2, ostensible, spelling O-S-T-E-N-S-I-B-L-E, meaning appearing or seeming to be true, pretend to be true. The synonyms are apparent, feigned. Sentence example 1. The ostensible motive for the murder was money, but the police found out the truth. Sentence example 2. The thief entered the mall with the ostensible purpose of making a purchase. Thank you for your interest in our program. So let us meet again next week.